Oh, hi there, you goofy little goober peas. A friendly reminder that if your biggest flaw is caring too much, I think you're all right. Welcome back to Microscope. My name's Mike. Well, ooh-wee, this was a long Thursday. It was Thanksgiving #1, and I was at a parade in Philadelphia, the Dunkin' Donuts Thanksgiving Day Celebration Extravaganza Parade. That's probably not the name of it, but Dunkin' Donuts sponsored it. Thanks for that, Dunkin' Donuts. I didn't know you had parades. We've got Donald and Doofy, right? Right, Donald and Doofy. Love the marching bands. You know, this is really impressive. I can't skip rope that well. That's watermelon shortcake, I think. We've got a clown, and lots of clowns. It's a big no for me. That last clown right there, yeah, nope. Nope, that's Pepper the Pig, I know that one. This was my nephew's favorite float. He's a little goober, and he really likes ocean animals and ocean life. Really big into those. He can be like, that's a tiger shark, or that's a turtle. He's pretty smart. I'll give it to him. Gotta love color guard. Respect to them. Synchronized dance. Beautiful. I have absolutely no clue who this guy was, but he's got a pretty nice gingerbread house. Good for him. And it's on a float. He can relocate whenever he wants, and it's built ram tough. I don't know if I'm funny. I think I am, and people tell me that I am, but I don't believe them because other people say that I'm not. This was a nice pair of ladies riding a tricycle. Are these old bikes called penny farthings? For some reason, I just think penny farthing when I see these bicycles. I don't know if that's correct. Now, this was impressive. This clip up here. Ooh, just going backwards like it's nothing? I can't do that. I definitely can't do this. I'm way too past my prime for any of that. You know, I wanted to take a minute just to say thank you to everyone who's ever liked, commented, followed, shared, favorited, whatever it might be. These TikToks really provide me an outlet to express who I feel like I really am rather than the working reality of my life. I think deeply when I make these TikToks, and sometimes it feels like it triggers a compassionate side of me, and that's a part of me that I really enjoy. And who better to say that in front of them, Mr. and Mrs. Claus? I'm definitely not getting cold. And as always, thanks for watching, happy Thanksgiving, and happy holidays. See you next time.